Hello everyone, I decided to go with functions of animation because I can see it turns cartoon characters alive, and it will keep students engaged, and it will teach them how to be creative, how to create their own cartoons and characters as well. And I just found the whole animation interesting, being that I am a UP teacher. Like I said before, the characters in this course coming to life. That's why I really enjoyed it, and I learned a lot myself to create certain cartoons and certain scenes and certain stories. And since this is all new to me, like I said, I really learned a lot, and that's why I chose this, because everything's come alive and it will engage my students more. And I would definitely try to my advantage being not in a UPK class. Hopefully, if I'm able to move on to teach older certain animation characteristics. And like I said, this is why I chose this video, because of the way things come to life. The protagonist here, Bumstead, is doing a wonderful job for Happy Harry. The clue here is the staging. The gigantic